And yes, guys, finally, after a year of looking for this one, this is the TV series Batmobile. I found this in the Easter dump bin at Walmart. They have a bin right now at my Walmart. This is Batman, guys. This is a new case. So, here's the back. Okay, so all I need is Rebel Lion, Myers Manx, sorry about the cough, which is Snakebite, Podium Crasher, Steer Clear, Back to the Future DeLorean, the Time Machine, which I haven't found yet. That one I did not see whatsoever. Mayorix and the Batman. There's a Batman logo. Name, TV series, Batmobile, Truck Type City, Strength, Crime Fighter, Crash Attack, Pow, Bam, Slap. So it's pretty cool. Slam, I meant, sorry. So let's go ahead and open this one, which is really nice. I have a new case to complete now. Alrighty. So here's, ooh. You know, this looks way better in person than like on the photos. Here, guys, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that glossy black, which is nice. Chrome rims and bead locks, black tires. The bat symbol, the little domes, which is cool. The grill printing and light printing, the little hood here. The logo, it says Warner, it says, right, it's here. DC and Warner Brothers, 2023. I love the red striping. It has a little chrome piece back here, which is a little exhaust. The other piece of the Batmobile, which is a exhaust in the back. Black roll cage, silver chassis. Looks kind of white, the rims are for some reason. So that's about it, guys. I have one more to go. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed.